the house food is closed. Do we have cinnamon? No. When did you eat by? Say what? Oh. I'm gonna eat brown lettuce, Mama. Well, here, I'm gonna eat that egg apple. Yep. Do you have cinnamon? Are you not coming too? Yeah.
Although the virus winds few friends, he influences many people. Sometimes the average man seems to deliberately try to catch a cold. Take that coat out of here.
Hmm?
I don't have a cold. Now look, Keith. A cold is nothing to be sneezed at. Beat it! Or an outcast from society, shunned by a cruel